Hello everyone, welcome to another PCGS grading submission and unboxing video. Some viewers may remember that during our December 2020 meeting of the Glendale Coin Club, which we host here on my channel, we auctioned off a 2020 West Point end of World War II proof Silver Eagle with the v75 Privy Mark. The United States Mint sold these special issue American Silver Eagles that had a low mintage of only 75,000 coins back on November 5th, and they quickly sold out. Prices of the coins in the secondary market soared thereafter. Our coin club was very lucky to be able to get one of these special coins for our December auction, but we didn't have the coin in hand for that sale. My friend, SoCal Box Breaks, who was the one who obtained the coin for our club, sent it off to PCGS in an express submission in an attempt to get the coin graded before our meeting was held. Unfortunately, we didn't get the coin back in time for that meeting, and believe it or not, we didn't even have the coin back from PCGS for our following meeting in January 2021. PCGS Express service wasn't really that express in our experience on this order. Nevertheless, we still auctioned off the coin in our December 2020 Coin Club meeting, and told the potential buyers that it was already out for grading and that they were going to get whatever grade they get back once the submission was returned. What I didn't know at the time, and what the buyer of the coin didn't know at the time, is that my friend SoCal Box Breaks actually sent 2 coins in for grading in this submission. He happened to have another example that another customer of his wanted to get graded, and that person really didn't care about the grade. He just wanted it in a holder for the protection. And that was part of the deal he made with his customer. And by doing this, this meant that the buyer in our coin club had double the odds of getting one of those coins with a perfect grade. So with that said, let's go ahead and open up this box and see how we did on this submission. Try to find out where you open it. I think right about here. Trick is always trying to find out how to open these boxes. I think we got this. Let's see if that works. Is that where the seam is at? No. That's not where it's at. Let's try here. Once you start getting the tape off of there, it starts to reveal itself. Alright. Alright, that's how we do it. Alright, I'm going to make sure I can pull out some forms here just so they don't show up on camera. It looks like these are just blank more. They give you extra submission forms so you can send in more orders and do more business with them. It looks like we got a full PCGS box in this order, which is something they haven't really been doing too much lately, it seems like. But we did get it, which is cool. And it says on the end of the box, the information there. It's going to be hard to see, but it does say domestic shipping, and then it has the raw and then EXP++. Again, took over a month for them to do this, well over a month. Was not anywhere close to express in our experience, and well, I'm sure we got billed for the express service. Now I'm going to peek in here again because they often have. Did I not cut through that enough? I swear I cut through that. They usually have invoice with personal information on here, so let me pull that to the side real quick, just to make sure I can get that out of there. Okay, there's some more paperwork in here. I'm just going to pull out of there. Alright, oh, so it looks like they gave us the full box, because the last time I had just an order with a couple coins, they gave it back in a cardboard box. It looks like they returned the original mint packaging, which is nice. So let's go ahead and get that out of here. Those are just the boxes and the paperwork, and you know what, we'll probably show one of those off just in case people have not seen this coin. It's just the numbers on that. I guess maybe it tells you which coin goes with which. Here's the box. End of World War II 75th Anniversary American Eagle, silver proof coin. Comes with the certificate of authenticity. Very nice, very nicely done. All the information on it. Very nice. And they also originally came in these little boxes. And there was probably a capsule that held the coin that, I don't know. Oh, I guess the capsules are in this foam. So we did get everything back. Very nice. Go ahead and set this aside. And so for the coins. Again, 2 of them were sent in, and here's how we did. This one here came back. Proof 70 Deep Cameo. And again, what makes this coin special is right there in the obverse field. A little tiny Privy Mark for v75 75th anniversary of the victory in World War II. And this one came back with a perfect grade. Very nice. There's the reverse with the W mint mark. And the other coin here came back proof 69 Deep Cameo. So one of these they said was perfect. One of them slightly less than perfect, because you guys know the coin grading scale goes from 1 to 70. 70 being a perfect coin. This one fell just short. And can we tell why? It's not going to be easy to figure that out. Usually there's just... Oops, sorry. I gotta stay on camera there. There's probably just one minor blemish. Usually it's in the field, a little bit of haziness or a little scuff here and there. I'm not seeing it, to be honest. It's just not obvious. But I guess if I got out the loop and really looked close, maybe we'd be able to figure it out. But anyway, this coin is already sold to one of the customers of SoCal Box Breaks. That's where this coin's going. Proof 69 Deep Cameo. This one here, the Proof 70 Deep Cameo. I'm glad to see that we were able to get at least one of these for our Coin Club auction winner. That's where this one's going. We're going to get this right out in the mail to them. And that's pretty great, pretty exciting. And I guess for those of you that haven't seen it, I got my microscope here. I'm going to try pulling that up real quick just to zoom in on at least the V75. There you go, just so you can see. That's what we're talking about. That's what made this coin. Let's see if I can focus that a little bit better. That was what made this coin a big deal. That's what made it special. That little Privy Mark is what they call it. And there again, that's 2020. And this is the one that graded Proof 70 Deep Cameo. So very nice. Coin looks great. And we'll go back to the main screen here. All right, well, hey, there's our unboxing. That's about it. Again, we're going to get this right out into the mail to the buyer from our Coin Club auction almost 2 months ago now. I invite you guys all to join us at future Glendale Coin Club meetings. They're always the second Friday of the month, right here on my coin channel. We also have more orders in at PCGS right now that we hope to have unboxing videos available soon. So please make sure you're subscribed to the channel and stay tuned to see more of these. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments about these coins or any of the other coins that I've shown recently, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I will definitely take a look. Thank you very much for your support, and remember to keep having fun with this great hobby of coin collecting.